Check out this amazing 2003 Chevrolet C5500. Just came into us here at Unique Classic Cars. Now I know this isn't a classic car, but it is definitely unique. Especially if you've been on the market looking for one of these. They're out there, but most of the ones you're gonna find are gonna have 250, 300,000 miles, maybe more. A lot of them are beat up, a lot of them are rusted out. This truck has 79,000 actual miles. It is super solid. No rust in the doors, bottom of the doors, which sometimes they like to rust on these trucks, I know. We actually own one of these trucks at the dealership here. We have one similar to this that we use to pull our show trailer and our car deliveries and things like that. We absolutely love these trucks. They are fantastic and they can haul the load. Like I said, this is a C5500. And you'll see it's got great rubber on it as well. Now this truck does have the 8-foot box on it. You can see there has been, they put some like Rhino liner type material back here to keep it from getting chipped up. And 79,000 actual miles on this truck, and of course it's got the Duramax diesel in it. Like I say, I know these trucks are out there, but to find them with this kind of miles, especially on a 2003 model, these trucks just aren't out there. And there's tons and tons of miles for this truck left to give. It does have the gooseneck hookup in the bed already, as well as you can see it's got a heavy duty pintle hitch back here. Now you can see all the still photos of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, and there you'll be able to see photos of all the tires and things like that underneath the doors, the bottom of the doors where I was talking about. Zero rust, very, very, very clean truck. These things are just fantastic. This truck virtually will sell itself. Anyone that's looking for one of these is going to know exactly what this baby is. Let's take a look at the inside. Now this truck does have the power windows, power door locks. I'll show you. Look at the bottom of that door. Almost like new. 79,000 miles on this truck. Manual transmission. It's got air conditioning. It does have a upgraded radio head there, and it does have rear backup camera as well. Again, there should be a picture of that in the still photos. Tilt steering wheel, cruise control, of course. Truck is very, very clean. Look at the upholstery. Hardly looks like it's been used. A lot of times these trucks, when they get worked, these get worn out. These are all ripped up and broken. This truck, it's crazy. It looks like it's new yet. Headliner's in good shape. This is a non-smoker truck. Has not been smoked in. No funny smells or anything like that in the truck. Same with the back seat. Doesn't even look like it's hardly been used. Even the rubber floor mats, again, if you ever look at these trucks, a lot of times the rubber floors are ripped up. It's just uncanny. This thing looks like new. Even the floor mats. So again, you can take a peek on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see all the still photos there. Inside, outside, under the hood. You'll be able to see everything. Now, we do take trade-ins. Financing is available if you need help with that. And we will do our best to work with you. Again, check out the website at uniqueclassiccars.com.